Mas maraming trabaho, mas maraming oportunidad. Magsisimula na dito sa NTEC 2 building sa Nepo Center sa Angeles City ang bagong BPO operations na inaasahang magbubukas ng mas maraming trabaho sa Central Luzon. Formal na ngang nagsanipuwersa ang Jdn Realty Group at Reinventing Call Center Operations Incorporated sa pamamagitan ng Bposeats matapos lagdaan ang Memorandum of Agreement para sa buong 7th floor ng NTEC 2 building na may lawak na humigit kumulang 4,200 square meters. Layunin ng partnership na dalhin ang BPO operations dito sa sentro ng Angeles City at palawakin ang business at employment opportunities sa rehiyon.
We're very happy with the new partnership with Bposeats, and of course, tuloy-tuloy pa. We're very happy also with what we're building. No? So, work in progress naman kasi ang JDN. So, yun yan.
Lumagda sa MOA sina Jdn Realty Group Chairman Arnie Valdez, President and CEO Aaron Montenegro at AVP for Administration Maribel Ronquillo kasama si Reinventing Call Center Operations Incorporated President and CEO Amanda Aurua. Ayon kay Montenegro, welcome sa Jdn Realty ang Reinventing Call Center Operations team at nakahanda ang kumpanya na suportahan ang kanilang growth at bumuo ng long-term partnership.
Yeah, we're very much happy and we're very much thankful and humbled for Bposeats joining us, and we made the partnership happen. We've opened our doors to them, and I think there's a lot of opportunity for both parties, for to help them grow here in our center. It's all-in-one services that we offer for our client. It's just a matter of for them to sign up, and we'll do the rest for them. Like what we have mentioned, they're very fortunate to join us and to expand their brand together with us. So I think it's a good partnership and a start of something new also here in the center. So it's an additional employment, additional business, and additional opportunity for everyone. So if they grow, we also grow. So I think that's really what JDN is all about.
Binigyang diin din ni Ronquillo na ang MOA signing ay hindi pagtatapos kundi simula ng aktual na pagtutulungan.
To the Reinventing Call Center Operations team, thank you for your patience, your professionalism, and for the trust you extended to us throughout this entire process. From this point forward, our commitment is straightforward. We want your experience at NTEC to reflect the confidence you place in us.
Samantala, pinasalamatan ni Aurua ang Jdn Realty sa warm welcome at exceptional hospitality na ipinakita ng kanilang team.
She honored that truly. As we grow in the Philippines, in my city Cebu and in Pampanga, I've never experienced this kind of welcome. So, grateful for that. Thank you.
Bahagi ang partnership ng strategic decision na magdadala ng mas maraming investments at business opportunities sa Central Luzon. Inaasahan na magbibigay ang Bposeats ng karagdagang employment opportunities para sa mga kabalen.
So we're hiring as we expand into NTEC 2. So, and we feel like we're going to attract more, not even better talent, but more talent, right? So it opens up the door for many Kapampangans. You're looking for an office and you're looking to be hired, join us at bposeats.com.
Nakatakdang magsimula ang operasyon ng Bposeats sa NTEC 2 bago matapos ang buwan. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.